about the Jesus authority. Hi, double attack the Tinia Yero Panet Kuli Soci the Miller Tabakaro Kasaisu. Pagdermala Atasu Takamo. No. Thank you so much for everyone's and the watchers, um, Bibles, reading Bible, Holy Bible words. Okay. Thank you so much. I think that you will get something in the Bible and you will know about the Jesus Christ. You will get important thing in your life. Okay. Here's I want to come and read for you about the little bit about um, the chief priest. Okay, they asked the question about Jesus' authority. Pene pero le kwa bakal paluta do de papa thili ti tatu taso ti pa no bugitera mala wa okay awadi de pa agi klo la awadi ti kwa wani no. Okay, my friends, you know that exactly whatever you do something important in your lifetime, where authority come from? Where authority come from? A lot of people always ask like this, okay? Pagkita mala kaya namata tamimi ni na pagkita mala na orally le minu yoran tasuta kamane hepele ero pwa aga ni arki awe tikwara dini etulo. Okay, we should think about carefully in our lifetime. Here is the talk about paying the authority of Jesus question. Authority of Jesus question. Paying you should think about carefully. Okay, you ask about the question authority, where it come from. Maybe he's steady or the power come from where you want to know. Okay. Here, Jesus entered the temple courts, and while he was teaching, the chief priests and the elders of the people come to him. Okay, he entered the temple courts and then he teaching. Okay, Jesus teaching, and you know that a lot of people know about this thing. Okay, and then chiefs there, priests there, okay, and then teaching. Idols, maybe the older people there too. Okay, and then the people come to Jesus. Okay, talk about like this. By what authority? Okay, what authority are you doing this thing? What authority are you doing this thing? Remember this? Okay, they asked the question about it. Penny Bakden Malo, what the thick water bakal tatami. Do penny rock a say sune, Lena Sutalipu, do tuki toki, tapamuno, paluta kuro, pagomu, do patuki the parapai has sura siwera, namata paile, mata a sukamole, namata the pile mega sukamole. Okay, when you meet Taiko Padotimino, okay, you don't have the certificates, okay. You don't go to school, or maybe okay, this one is what happened. You come and teaching, you preaching why, okay, that's like this, okay. Pero pagkatete malata mata te pane mita kiwilo devra okay. Here they ask, and who give you this authority? Okay, who give you this authority? Pay what they pagkatete Siwada namata pai lemata sugamole, do mimata hi nasunagamo idigale. Bagden malone pahinas tasudagamolo, neka sitero da penny, do bagden man tuki toki ta penny and margahina sugamorgale. Ero, tikwa wedin it to okay? Who give you? Okay, who give you this authority? Remember that. Here is the Jesus reply. Penny say Jesus replying here. I will also ask you one question. Jesus asked question to them. Penikasesu siseta siba or yegatikwa sikwa tutatamilo. Yegatikwa sikwa tutatamilo. No penny, if you answer me, I will tell you by what authority I am doing this. Okay? Namesi sayani. Okay, yegatethi. talo yamata mendaga sukomole pain ne bugete ma no awene thumisi bayado yegamata phai mata sukomole ni yegasiba teba tisikolo tera yegasiba teba tisikolo Jesus asked question, okay, to chief priests idols, and then the Lord, okay, people come to him. Do pero le kwale tada mi siko le katuda le kisi ni katuda way siko mimnitimile. Here is the 25 talk about John's baptism. Where did it come from? Was is from heaven or from man? What is from heaven or from man? Hey, Jesus asked the question. Okay, Jesus asked John the Baptizer, where did it come from? Was it from heaven or from man? A lot of people know about that. John the Baptist, okay, and his father and mother, okay, all older enough, right? They don't have children. Okay, they could not have children because they are older enough. Okay, nobody believe that. Hi, my friends. Thank you so much. Okay, this is meaning about that. Jesus asked the question about John. Okay. Here, Penny Bagdadama saw you ha a tablani, me hele cole, me a hele munko, me a hele bagagnole. Do whether the party, Bagdadama, okay? Jesus asked that question, okay? Where I come from? Okay, John baptized in the water, right? Where his power come from, authority come from. Remember this, okay? But then authority, happily. Atasudang mo happily at dublerane. Pagitete ordinalo. They discuss it among themselves and said, if we say from heaven, he will ask, then why didn't you believe him? Pagitete mala, ke me dinero, away Pagitete mala, away seek to loda, away sivera, get to loda. Get a missile, Pagitete ma pay ni, no? The away the pani, kulota, tear agasada wewu, sivera, but missile mukudo, Kasibapwa, okay, Kasibapwa, Mimi dinido, Bamanilo titana obale, okay, but missile come from heaven. Why you don't believe him? Why you don't believe him? Your Bamanilo titana bale, Pagitete ma penny, okay? Why you don't believe him? Pero, but if we say from man, we are afraid of the people. For they all hold that John was a prophet. Okay. Permissile paganyo. Okay, permissile paganyo. If we say from man. Do permissile paganyo do, hele paganyo do. Okay, papli pagamulo. Agide e pakeles so you ha de wiga atulo. Pakele ne power so you ha de wiga atulo. Okay. Here's, okay, they all hold that John was a prophet. You know that this is it. Okay, this is the meaning about the afraid the people. Okay, the afraid the crown. They don't afraid Jesus, they afraid crown only. Okay, Jesus asked the question. But then what did it to plivera Kasaisua? Or what they plivera le paganyo. So they answered Jesus, we didn't know. Okay, we didn't know. But then mala pay ni siwala atamupuni tewenti lo. No siseta siba. No siseta siba Yesu, but thinyaba. Okay, we didn't know, but thinyaba. Then he said, no away siba weda, no away siba. Okay. Neither will I tell you by what authority I am doing this thing. Parino Pagatet Malo West Sivra Dilo. Dini eto Yamata eat a parlor mata sukomolene, yet Seba Teba Siko Tua. Okay, Jesus never tell them. Okay, with authority I do him. Okay, who get the authority? Jesus never tell them. You know. When you say to the tebe awethiba, Kasesu, the teba awethila Yamata ilumerga sukomolene, the te wethiba. Coblulo awethita sister wa hutarone, ta pagaterman tasisa to okiba. Awenilo. Okay. You are the question, you should be answered. Okay. You are the question, you don't answer. How can I be answered? Okay. Just like Jesus talk about them. Okay. Remember, my friends and my brother and sister, this authority is Matthew chapter 21, verse 23 to 27 in there. Thank you so much, my friend and my brother and sister. God bless you all. God will teach you everything in your lifetime. Okay. With your family. Okay. God will stay with you. Never leave you again. Bye-bye. See you next time. Okay, pagitilo dagi lucky mono moya sugi tu sugi you are glue taller than yaniki table.